Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto G10 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let me take a picture now. And as you can see, we have the sound turned on. To turn it off, let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap here, we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit to the capture settings category, and here we have the shooter sound option. By using this button from the right, we can turn it off or turn it on as we need. Now let me keep this turned off, and when we go back to the camera and take another picture, we can't hear the sound. Of course, by tapping to the right corner, sliding to the capture settings and using this button, we can turn on the sound again. So for now, when we take a picture, we can hear it. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.